Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change your credit card due date. So the first thing that you need to do is to log into your online account. So most major card issuers allow you to request a due date change online. So here are the steps on how to do that. First is you have to go to your credit card issuer's website or application, and then find the payments or settings section. Then you just have to look for the change payment due date and then choose a new date, typically 1st to 28th of the month. And then after that, just confirm your selection. Now here's an example to issuers that support online due dates changes. So first is, let's try the Chase. So I'm currently at the Chase website right now. So here is the step on how do you change your credit card's due date. So you may be able to change your credit card statement due date by communicating with your credit card issuer. So some ways of doing this include calling their customer service number or visiting your online account to change your credit card's due date. So I'm also going to show you on how you can do that on the American Express. So I will show it to you. So in here, I'm also at their official website. So here we have the question, can I change my billing due date? So you may be able to change your payment due date or statement closing date. If you have a credit card, you can change your monthly payment due date through your online account by clicking the link at the bottom of the page and following the steps. So for all other card products such as the green, gold, or platinum card, you have to chat with one of their customer care professionals through your online account. So you just have to click on this one or this link right here to be able to do or to change your billing due date. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!